Hi there, it's Grant here from the Investment of a Decade. Today I just want to share this really interesting article with you because I know there's a lot of hype around crypto at the moment, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum. But in this article, the head of Ark, Cathie Wood, is still a believer that Bitcoin is going to hit $500,000 one day. She doesn't sort of give a timescale for that, but I also know Tika Tawari, who's the top editor at Palm Beach Letter, also believes Bitcoin is going to hit $500,000 one day, and I think he predicted it will get there by 2030. So I think this is really, really interesting. Now let's sort of have a look to see what evidence she's got to back this up. So I'm just going to sort of flick through the article here. So the head of Ark Investment Manager said in an interview on Bloomberg TV that she still expects the cryptocurrency to reach a price of $500,000. She noted that as highly volatile sectors in the stock market are selling off amid inflation fears, Bitcoin is dropping as well. Last traded just below 38,000. So let's sort of go to the interesting bit. So it goes on to say, although Elon Musk has sad on Bitcoin due to its environmental impact, Wood said once renewables are incorporated into the Bitcoin mining technology like she expects, Elon will come back and be part of our ecosystem, which will only be good thing for Bitcoin. Musk's quick change in opinion on the largest cryptocurrency may have been caused by pushback from institutional shareholders like BlackRock, she said. Despite her long-term conviction, Bitcoin and other digital coins may face more pain before mounting a comeback. You never know how low is low when the market gets very emotional, she said. I think we're in a capitulation phase. That's a really great time to buy no matter what the asset is. So there you go. Obviously at the moment, Bitcoin has dropped, I think it's dropped below 38. It's about 38,000, might be up to 40,000 now. But it's still well below its record, which it hit, I do believe, last November. So there we go. One of the top traded funds in the world is predicting Bitcoin is going to hit 500,000. Does it mean it's going to hit 500,000? You never know. I mean, obviously Bitcoin is highly volatile. It's still in the early adoption phase. It's not mainstream yet. But obviously the two big coins to keep eye on are Bitcoin and Ethereum because they're the most widely adopted, and their networks are growing out. They're taking more transactions, more people are using the coins. So that means obviously the prices are only going up. And also there's limited numbers of the coins. So the more coins that are sold, the more prices will go up. So does this mean you should go out and rush and buy Bitcoin? No, it doesn't. My advice is to obviously do your research, and obviously get the advice of a top crypto expert. I mean, my favorite crypto expert is Tika Tawari. He's the head editor of the Palm Beach Letter, and he offers great crypto research and advice in his Palm Beach Letter as well as a lot of picks. So if you want to check out the Palm Beach Letter, I'll leave a link down below for you. But in terms of investing in Bitcoin, that is very much down to you. And the last thing I will say, if you are going to think about investing in Bitcoin, my advice is to treat it as a long-term investment. The problem with a lot of crypto traders is they just try and use it as a make money thing. They buy it, have no idea what they're investing in. When they see their money crashing, they panic and so on, moment they made a lot of money. As Tika Tawari always says, find great investments and go all in and keep it as a long-term investment. That is the only way really to make money, not just from crypto, but investing in general. You've got to have a long-term outlook to make real gains. So if you think to yourself, nah, I'm not advising you invest in Bitcoin. I don't give investment advice. I only do this because I'm passionate about it and I want to bring you the best news and reviews as possible. But if you think to yourself, yeah, I do want to invest in Bitcoin, then you should really have a long-term mindset. Obviously, if you invest in any crypto, it's going to be a wild ride. You can make huge amounts of money over a short period of time, but you could also pretty much lose a lot of money. It's just the name of a game. So whether you invest in Bitcoin or other cryptos or other investments, the only way to win is to have a long-term mindset, and just make sure those investments are as strong as possible and there's real evidence backing behind them that they are good, solid investments. So that's what I've got for you. And I just got to finish by saying, obviously I don't offer investment advice. If you do want to invest in Bitcoin or any other crypto, please do your own research, and seek the expert of a top crypto expert. And my top crypto expert that I always follow is Ticket to Worry. He's head of a Palm newsletter, one of the best financial newsletters in the world, has a heavy bias on crypto. So if you want to get his crypto research, I'll drop a link down below. That's what I've got for you today. Hope you found it useful and interesting, and I'll speak to you soon.